Yeah, when you have when you have true friends, this is what the fuck happens. Andifuna uthetha kakhulu. My friend slash texted me a week ago saying, "Yo, I have these mics that I'm not using. He has shy." Then I was like, "Yeah, my dog, give it to me." And then he sent it. Just went and collected them. Kupepu. This is fucking amazing, Zanbonisa. We are fucking growing.
Yeah, a some. Yeah. Money on my mind, money on me, that's a synonym. Checkers, I just spit it and you think I'm feeling it. Niggas never been out, they confused, they can't keep up, can't get control. I got in this bitch, yeah, my son. Bitch, my son. Bitch, my son. Money on my mind, money on me, my son. Ice on my neck and my bitch, my son. Niggas think they ops can't compete, bitch, my son.
Cover the difference. We're testing now. Cover the difference. Cover the communication. Cover the what we are saying. Cover the reaction, boy. Cover the what we are saying. Cover the. I don't know if this sounds great, but I just want to thank you, Slashman. When you have the right friends that support the right plan, this is what happens. Thank you, Slashman. The page is growing. The page is fucking growing. It's random convos. Follow, subscribe, do whatever that you need to do to make this work. We are trying to make a dream work. It's me, it's Keplikam, and this shit is gonna be perfect. Skrr.